This is an updated e-travel guide for departure. 2025. This guide will cover everything from what documents you need to have ready to what you should pack, what you should unpack. If you're flying out of the country, you will need your passport or travel document, proof of vaccination, a negative COVID test, completed health declaration form, and a copy of your flight ticket. For some countries, you may also need a visa. I recommend that you also have a physical copy of your important documents and keep it in a safe location in your carry-on luggage. It's always good to be prepared for unexpected situations. For those of you traveling with kids, please make sure to check the airline's website for their specific requirements. As there are different rules for children under the age of 18, you can also find up-to-date information on our website, which will be linked in the description box below. As for what you should pack, the first thing that I would suggest is to pack a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is essential, especially when you're at a high altitude. So make sure to bring an empty reusable water bottle with you and fill it up after you pass through airport security. Another item I would suggest packing is a physical copy of your itinerary. It's always a good idea to have a physical copy of your itinerary, as some accommodations may require you to show a physical copy upon check-in. Next, I would suggest packing a universal plug adapter if you plan to travel to multiple countries. A universal plug adapter is a must-have, as it allows you to charge your devices in multiple countries. A face mask is also a must-have, as it can help prevent the spread of germs and keep you safe from airborne illnesses. A neck pillow and eye mask can also come in handy during your travels, especially if you plan to take a long flight. And lastly, make sure to pack your patience as delays and cancellations are expected. Being prepared and having realistic expectations will help make your travel experience a lot smoother. As for what you shouldn't pack, any food items or fruits and vegetables. You are not allowed to bring any food items or fruits and vegetables into the country. Make sure to check out the prohibited items list on the airline's website, as it is subject to change. Here are some additional things that you should never pack in your carry-on luggage, including a nail file, tweezers, and any sharp objects. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels.